Hey guys, today, let's learn how to disable the end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So if you guys would like to go ahead and disable your end-to-end encryption on the Messenger application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to disable this step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the Messenger applications, and then proceed with tapping on your settings right here. Now once we're already here, what I want you to go ahead and access is the, of course, option to access your settings with a specific chat. So what I want you guys to do from here is to locate the option to view the secret conversations. Now, if you can't necessarily see that under your settings option right here, well, there is another way for you guys to access this, and that is gonna be located onto the specific chat that you guys would like to go ahead and disable and to end encryption on. So what I want you guys to do from here is to long press or go to that specific chat. So in this case, I'm gonna go and log on to my preferred accounts first. And then what I want you to do from here, once you've already successfully logged in on your preferred chat, is to tap on the chat, tap on their names, scroll down until you see the option to go to secret conversation, and tap on OK. So this is basically end-to-end encrypto, as you notice right here. So you can actually tap on likes and go ahead and view and talk to them through here. But if you'd like to go ahead and disable this, it's gonna be pretty easy, just by going ahead and retracing your steps and disabling it the same way you enabled it. So go ahead and tap on option to disable this. Let's try to go ahead and locate this. This actually shows you the verification of the encryption. But if you'd like to go ahead and disable, this is gonna be pretty easy. Go ahead back, and you actually have two chats. The first one is actually encrypted. The other one is not encrypted. So what I want you guys to do, if you want to go ahead and disable this, is just go ahead and tap on more, tap on delete, delete the chat, and you can now go ahead and chat through the normal chat, which is not encrypted. And that is all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.